Right here is Kindle for PC. This is my books on Kindle. This is just installed through Wine. So anyways, here, let me go back to the library. Oh yeah, that one's already downloaded. Downloading, yeah. So this is pretty much just how you download the encrypted version. Nothing really that impressive. Then you can play it locally through here. But the problem arises like at work, like this program will crash all the time, and I don't have admin access, so there's not a lot I can do. So I want the PDF files. So this is gonna be kind of how to break DRM. So I can get those as PDFs or convert them, which you have to break DRM, so then you can convert them. So I'm going to be using a plugin for Calibre, and I'll pull up the site. It's on Printed Out blogs, so everything you wanted to know about DRM and ebooks, but were afraid to ask. So pretty much what they have here is they have this tool called DeDRM, and you download the zip file, and the zip file contains a number of tools. I'm only concerned with the plugin portion, so I'll show you kind of what that looks like. And too far. Alright, so pretty much you get this file, the zip file, then you just extract it, then you get this guy. And inside here you'll see like README, and I'll kind of talk about all the tools and stuff like that, and like all the like ebooks that it supports. I only care about Kindle. But if you're interested, they have other ones, but I'm just going to talk about how to set the Kindle version. And they kind of talk about the Mac and the Windows applications that are written in Python, and the other one's written in something else, I don't know. Something like that, I don't know. Anyways, I've never done that. So here's the DeDRM plugin for Calibre, which is cross-platform. It's the hardest to do on Linux, sadly, because you have to do things through Wine. So pretty much you have to download these. So I've already downloaded all those, and I'll get the links. There's actually a couple things you have to download. It wasn't all in there. So let's go into the plugin, and then you'll see a README file in here. So it talks about like blah blah, and then talks about the installation. Do not select blah blah. So this is how you just install the plugin. But the thing is, it talks about the Linux stuff later. So how you install the plugin is you pretty much go over here, and then you'll see something called preferences. Up the dialog over here, and then you'll go to load plugins from file. Double click here, and then it'll say blah blah. And then you hit yes, and then like next or whatever. And then you apply it, and then you have the plugin installed. But once you have the plugin installed, that's not good enough for Linux, because you need a couple other utilities. So here's what you need to download. You need to download Kindle for PC. When you scroll down, it says Linux systems only down here. Instructions for installing Wine, Kindle for PC, Adobe Digital Edition, Python, and PyCrypto. So those are what you have to download, and it says right here. Kindle for PC, Adobe Digital Editions, Active Python, and PyCrypto. So here are all the links, and make sure that you have, it says 32-bit, x86, so that's pretty much what you're going to work with, and it says like the specific version that you're supposed to work with. Like right here it says 2.x doesn't even work, so use 1.7.x. Anyways, once you're done with that, install Wine. So it says you can use Software Center, type this in, you can do that. You can use apt-get install Wine, whatever you want to do. Then go into configure Wine, and it says run configure Wine, which will set up the default Wine prefix. Now go into Wine tricks. And then once you go in here, go to default Wine prefix, and then okay. So install a Windows DLL or a component. What was kind of tricky, I remember, is it says default and install the component. It doesn't say DLL or a component, so it doesn't say how to go there, but it says component. So go in there, and then you'll scroll down here, and then you'll find something called VC Run 2008, or Visual C++, Visual C Run 2008. So VC++. Then you'll click OK, and then it seems like this kind of goes like back and forth. Anyways, once you're done with that, just close out of it. And then, now that we got that, we did the VC Run 2008. Now run the misname uninstall line. You don't have to do it this way. This is how they do it. I don't think it's a bad way to do it. Anyways, so just hit the install button, navigate to your files, and presto. It says install this, and then active state, and then PyCrypto, and then accept all the defaults in PyCrypto. As you can see, I've already done that. So I have the digital active Python, the C++, we already set that up initially, Amazon Kindle, and then PyCrypto. So that's pretty much all you do, and then once you're done with that, you'll go into calibrate, and then let's get that file. So one cool thing I have, I don't know if I talked about it already, but I have this worthless file, but I don't have it in my calibrate collection yet. So let's add the book. I don't remember what it's called. I'll just tell them to do all of them. And I think it even talks about duplicates. Added, blah, blah. So now I got worthless in there. And let's open the book. Normally, like if you didn't have this plugin installed, it would say locked by DRM. I don't know if it's for this specific file exactly, but at least on like test-driven development and getting started with Spring and such, those were all, like I know I tried to open this initially without the plugin, and it wouldn't open. So pretty much on import, it decrypts it and takes the DRM off. So it's kind of cool. Anyways, let's convert that file over. So convert book. Let's convert it to PDF. And then just hit OK. Starting the conversion. Doesn't take that long. And there we go, it's converted. So it says it's ready. Conversion has been complete. And then you'll see the formats in here. And now I have the whole thing as a PDF. But I'm pretty sure if I wanted to do this, like, you probably have to adjust the settings a little bit, because you can see it's like super big in here, which is pretty freaking stupid. But that's kind of how the default was set up for me. So that's how to convert your file into a PDF and get DRM off on Linux. So peace out, guys.